Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily edit a Wi-Fi network on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings. Now go to Wi-Fi connection and click edit on the edit Wi-Fi networks. So here it will retrieve any known networks, and here you guys will be able to either forget a network or delete it permanently. So basically that's all the same. So select the network that you want to choose. Now here click delete, and as you guys can see, now we don't have an access to the Wi-Fi because we deleted our network. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.